What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another light painting photography video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this image right here. The tools that I used to create this image are the color hoods from light painting brushes. I used the orange, yellow, and blue color hood. I also used a flash with a gel over it. I used a blue gel to backlight the two trees, and then I used an orange gel with the flash to create my silhouette in the background. The settings are ISO 100 f5.6, shooting on bulb mode. Starting the exposure now. First, going to be using the yellow and orange color hoods to illuminate the top part of the seat and the top part of the table. As you can see here, I'm walking right into the image and right on top of that picnic table. I'm using the color hoods again because I will not pick up any unwanted light streaks in the image because the hood is blocking the light source from being seen, and we're only going to get that projected light onto the table recorded to the camera. I'm going very close to the table itself to create this like glowing neon effect. Sometimes I would lay down a big wide layer of light and then come in and highlight areas, but for this I really wanted to make that table look like it was glowing and really standing out from everything else in the scene. So what I'm doing here is using the blue color hood to illuminate the edges of the table to give again that glow, getting very close to the table itself to really make it highlighted. I'm going to illuminate using the blue color hood all the underside of the table here, just lighting all that up, giving it a good cover of light to again make it really stand out from everything else in this image. Now I'm going to use the flash with a blue gel over it to backlight that tree. Just one quick pop there. Now I'm switching the gel, walking back to center. I've marked my spot here so I know where to stand with a stick. So I'm centered up in this frame. I'm going to cover it with the orange gel and pop that light facing away from me to create the illusion of my silhouette there. I actually popped this twice with the flash to give it enough light in the background. And finally, I did backlight that other tree for some reason or another. It's not on the video. I don't know why. I don't know if it cut off or what, but I did backlight that other tree the exact same way. Used the flash with the blue gel, one pop from right behind to create the backlight on that tree as well. And that is the end of this exposure, and this is what it created. Thank you guys very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. I will answer anything that I possibly can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, get out there and get creative.